Guys, susundo kami kay Lovely.
Sundo kami sa anak namin.
Taguan muna natin siya. Nandun siya, guys. Taguan natin. Silipin natin sa kabila. Ikot tayo dito. Andito. Taguan natin. Susundan natin siya. Susundan.
Wake up when the sun goes down, riding all these highs. Wake up when it comes down, walk these streets with me. I'm doing decently, just glad that I
Guys,
can
susundan natin siya.
Yeah. I'm trying to realize
Taas mo pa ng puno.
it's alright to not be fine on your own.
Nagahanap na nila.
I'm drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks
Hi, Lovely Faith. Lingon ka dito, be.
I'm lost in my imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through?
Tara, lapitan na natin. Nagtatawag yung teacher. Yun siya.
And there's one
Di siya natin yun.
I need from you.
Di siya natin yun.
Can you come? Ain't got much to do. Too old for my hometown.
Hi.
Went to bed at noon. Couldn't put my phone down.
Hi.
Scrolling patiently.
Bill.
It's all the same to me. Just faces on the screen.
Ayun na siya. Tinawag siya ng teacher niya, guys.
To realize it's alright to not be fine.
Hello ka muna sa vlog natin.
Now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee.
Nagbabay pa sa friend niya.
Weeks have been
Tara na.
exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination.
Thank you po.
And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come?
Ang dinis naman eh.
Ooh, yeah. And there's one
Sunduan
I
time.
need from you. Can you come?
Pangilang school mo, pangilang school day mo na to, pangit? Pangilang school day mo na to?
Ooh, yeah. And there's one thing
Oh, hindi alam.
Second day of school.
Can you come?
Yan guys, maaga na kami susundo bukas. Okay, pangit. Ay, kasabi. Ayun. Dito kami, palabas na kami ng school. Then, babiyahin na kami ng aming motor. Sakay kami kay Locally. Basta si Locally. Ito daan, exit, di ba? Uy, exit. Entrance. Palabas na kami ng school, guys. Palabas na.
Ooh, yeah. And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come? I might lose my mind. Waking when the sun's down, riding all these highs, waiting for
Kasi
the
yung
calm
susi.
down. Walk these streets with me,
Uy, yung susi
doing
nasa.
decently. Just glad that I can breathe.
Babay na sa vlog.
Yeah. I'm trying to
Ano mo? Nak, ganun mo na. Nak, ganun mo
It's
na.
alright to not
Babay sa vlog.
be fine on
Ayan.
your own.
Intro.